I think pictures speak 1,000 words. So I think what I'd like to do is, in today's video, we're going to do a picture video about this pool here that Josh and I renovated with the help of Gavin, Jordan, Tim, Brad, and of course all the management at Giuliano's Pools. So this project started where Gavin and his team came in and took out the patio for this pool to set it up for me to renovate. He was doing that while I was up in Vermont. And renovating that pool up in Vermont that you saw the videos for. And so when we came here, we were able to meet the customer. So originally there was a set of plastic stairs here, and we're going to start inserting a couple pictures along the way. So basically, I came in with my mini excavator and I just started digging out the stairs here. Unfortunately, we found that there was like 10 inches of concrete around the footing on the collar. But we ended up getting that out of there. Did all new plumbing lines out here, all new hard pipe. I did a couple of videos showing some of the grubs that live in the sand out here as well. And, like I said, I'm not trying to talk too much. I want to do a video on pictures and a little music and things like that. Told the customer to leave the vacuums running all times until the water got to the tape mark in the shallow end. I came here first thing in the morning. I just had a funny feeling that maybe there was a lot of water, but it looks like it's going to take almost all day for the water to get to that tape mark. So we have a crew coming out later today to pull the vacuums, but I think they're coming between 12 and 3 or something like that. I left instructions that if the water wasn't up high enough to call me so that I could come out here and pull the vacs before the end of the day. But I wanted to come out and I wanted to just kind of do a quick little video, a quick little talking. It's not going to be a long video, it's going to be a short video. And like I said, it's going to be just a lot of pictures, some music and things like that. But I felt that I need to stay true to uploading my long video once a week on Saturday evenings is what I'm trying to do. Maybe Sunday, I don't know. I don't know when the video will actually be uploaded, but you're actually watching it now. It's uploaded, so that's the good part. But I guess I came here a little bit too early. Vacs are not ready to be pulled. But I hope, let's start over. I hope that you enjoyed the pictures from this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the renovation. I hope you enjoyed watching the shorts that I put out from this video. And if I can get more content from this pool moving forward, I will. Monday, we're going to be cleaning out my work truck, getting a radiator hose fixed on it. Tuesday, we're going to be measuring liners. And as always, please like and subscribe to Steve Got It Pool. And don't forget, if you're interested, you can always go on to Facebook and you could join the Pool Liner Mafia Facebook page, or you could join Swimming Pool Liner Installation Facebook page too. I also have an eBay store. Don't forget about my eBay store, Steve Got It Pool, where I'm selling Jeep Wrangler You've Been Ducked by Steve Got It Pool. So you can go and check some of those videos out and some of those listings on my eBay store. I'm planning on doing some pretty fun things with my eBay store this year to have some interaction with my viewers this year so that they can kind of purchase little bits of memorabilia from Steve Got It Pool. So that's my plan anyway. Well, like I said, it's Saturday morning. We can't pull vacs yet, but at least we came out, shot a video of the pool, and showed you some pictures, and we'll see how many other times we can say well, we're back at this pool, and we were gonna try to pull vacs, but it looks like the water is just a tad below.